Oh, you better sit down on this one. These are stunning. And you know, there's a couple reasons. I got an email, somebody asking me, why do I always state the country that they're from? Well, because it tells you quality. These are from France and Italy, and it tells a lot about the quality of what the French and the Italians maintain. So this is Italian. It is a wool, 100%. And you can see it's a felted wool knit. Felted wool knit. I think that combination is so rare. It has stretch in both directions. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. We had a lady at the store buy some of it, and she made a vest out of it, and then she put it on the mannequin, and then somebody else came in and bought the vest because they just thought it was so beautiful. And it was too cheap. She bought it way too cheap. But anyway, this is gorgeous. This is really gorgeous. We have a little buy and selling going on in the store. It's been kind of fun. Moving along, this is 100% silk. This is a Italian, sorry. This is Italian. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% silk. So, I mean, I know I got the sample and I know I got the fabric and everything, but I couldn't believe it. I actually burned it myself. It is 100% silk knit. It's a beautiful holiday red. It's a blue red. It's stunning. So then to go with it, this is from France. Gotta make sure, yeah, it's from France. There's my tag. This is a wool viscose print. Isn't that beautiful? And if you notice, it's got the red in it and it's got the blue that I'm going to show you. So these are beautiful combinations. I mean, if nothing else, it'd be a lovely scarf. You'd have to cover the back side of it, but isn't that beautiful? Our cape, I know I've caped you all to death, but they're so popular and they're so perfect to wear. But anyway, beautiful, beautiful drape. It has stretch in one direction. So just know that, but a very light, beautiful wool viscose blend. And then we have the beautiful blue. This is 100% silk. Again, stretch in both directions. A silk knit. Because I never get in silk knits. But it's beautiful and it's stable. So it's not like it would pick. It's pretty. And then we have, this is 100% viscose. Is that gorgeous? Beautiful piece. This is from Italy. And it's a really pretty, one of those like reversible, beautiful piece of fabric. And then I paired it with, or this came in with it. I didn't pair it, sorry. But isn't that beautiful together? It's kind of a dirty pink. It's a winter pink, a lot of times we call it. So a beautiful monochromatic for the holidays, for winter. And of course it will go clearly way into spring. And really all year round. This kind of stuff goes all year round. It's a great combination. So those are fabrics today. We'll mark them a little lower today and tomorrow just because we do that. And the goal is happy sewing with beautiful fabrics from Silhouette Patterns.